Today we're making one of my favorite salads and most underutilized product, beets. I get a lot of questions about beets and you gotta roast them or boil them, whatever it is, so people are afraid to use it. This is a really nice salad with a lot of complementary flavors. We have blue cheese and bacon and pecans and another leafy green, escarole. Love it, it's bitter, and it just brings a lot of complementary flavors to this. So I'm gonna show you how to make a really cool vinaigrette using blue cheese. So I have some champagne vinegar, little blue cheese. I just want to whisk that in. I don't need to break it down too much. I just want to get the flavor in the vinaigrette because I have huge chunks of blue cheese to go into the salad. I just want to get it going. Now I'm going to add my oil. I really don't care if it's homogeneous or together because it's a vinaigrette and I'm going to toss the salad. I just want to incorporate it in. If you wanted to put it into a Robot or you want to put it into, Cuisinart and get it all one consistency, you totally can. I'm gonna have some chives. Love chives. And this is pretty much good to go. I'm gonna hit it with salt and pepper. A lot of pepper, actually. Looks like our dressing's good to go. Now let's build the salad. So I have some escarole. Now the thing you get in culinary school, and I don't want to bring it up, but I'm going to bring it up. Does it fit on the fork? So these huge pieces like this, you can let your diner, your family or friends cut it themselves, or we could do it for them. So that's something that you'll have to figure out. For me, I like the whole leaf. So that's how I'm gonna do it. But if you wanna keep it together or cut it, totally up to you. And then I have these wonderful golden beets, love them. They're roasted, so they have a lot of flavor. And I have some heirloom tomatoes. And I'm gonna start with a little bit of dressing. Now when you mix your salad, when you really mix the salad, you're not gonna use that much dressing. So don't use it all. I'm gonna hit it with some salt and pepper. And I'll give it a mix. We can start plating it up. To plate this salad, I want to put some greens down first, kind of as the base. Just like so. And then I'll start adding my ingredients. So I have some beets, a couple heirloom tomatoes, another beet because I love it. Now, what you see here is some extra ingredients. And the reason why I didn't put that inside of the salad in the beginning is I want to keep these the same texture. So these are candied pecans, really, really crunchy. I have some bacon, again, crunchy, and really, really creamy blue cheese. So now I can put these where I want, but I want that texture to stay crisp. So I have some bacon. If you want to add more bacon, you totally can. Some pecans. These have really nice crunch, really addicting. And then the blue cheese. Again, add as much as you like or as little, but it just brings a nice creaminess to the dish. And that's it. Just a really nice roasted beet salad with a blue cheese vinaigrette. Something you should definitely try. Now when it comes to roasted beets, you want complementary flavors. So it's really earthy, these beets. So you want to bring that same thing to the salad. So I have some escarole. It's a little bitter. If you want to use frisée, you totally can. Or if you don't like those flavors, some mixed greens go great. Blue cheese, salty, creamy, really nice. Pecans give you the crunch and more sweet. And the bacon, salty, and that flavorful addition to a salad. Gotta have it. So all these flavors really marry nice together. As far as herbs, I use chive. If you would like to use some parsley or thyme, that goes great too. But this salad has all those components to make the beets the star, and all these are complementary items, something definitely you should try.